Good morning, dear students. Welcome to Science Online class. Today we will discuss the topic Unit-4 Science in Everyday Life. Students, now look at all this picture. What is there in the pictures? It's a full of waste. See here also in this picture is a full of waste materials are there in the pictures. So students, today let us learn about the topic wastes. So what is waste? Waste is any substance which is discarded, means throw away after the primary use. So students, waste is a substance, means material which is discarded, means throw away after the usage. So this is called as waste. So what is waste? Any substance which is disposed after the use, it's called as a waste. So now let us learn about the household wastes. Students, what is household wastes? The waste from the home or from the house is known as a household waste. So waste generated in the house, it's called as a household wastes. So what is household wastes? The wastes from the home is called as household wastes. Students, we can classify the household wastes into so many categories. Now let us learn this one by one. The first one is organic wastes. Organic wastes example kitchen waste, vegetables waste, flower waste, leaves waste, fruits waste are the examples of organic wastes. Students, what is the meaning of organic waste? The waste which can be easily decomposed are called as organic waste. Kitchen waste, vegetable waste, flower waste, leaf waste, fruit waste can be easily decomposed or degraded into the soil. So they are called as organic wastes. Next, toxic wastes. Toxic means very harmful. So what are the toxic wastes? Old medicines bottle, paint, chemicals, bulbs, spray cans, some fertilizers, chemical fertilizers. In Tamil we say uram, which is used in the agricultural field. And pesticide. Pesticide means which is used to kill the pest. Pest is a harmful insect in the agricultural field. Next, containers, old bottles containers, batteries, shoe polish are the examples of the toxic wastes. So the chemicals, paints are the toxic. It's harmful to the environment, means it's harmful to the soil. So they are classified under the category toxic wastes. Okay. The next one is recyclable wastes. What is the meaning of recyclable waste? Next, recyclable wastes. What is the meaning of recyclable? Recycle means converting the waste into new products. Here we can make a new product from old paper, glass, metals and plastic. Next, soiled wastes. Soiled wastes means waste contaminated with the blood. Old plaster, the clothes soiled with blood and other body fluid from the hospital areas are the examples of the soiled wastes. Next, e-wastes. E means electronic. So e-wastes means electronic wastes, computer parts, electronic materials such as old wire, bulb, old switches, etc. And cell phone parts and CFL bulbs are the examples of the e-wastes. Okay students, the household waste can be classified into organic wastes, means easily degradable wastes, toxic wastes means harmful wastes, Recyclable wastes means converting the waste into new product. Soiled wastes means a dirty plaster, cotton, etc. And e-wastes means electronic wastes. Students, now we will learn the topic need for proper disposable of waste. Disposable means throw the waste. We should throw the waste in a proper way. With so much of wastes lying everywhere, it should create a lot of problems, diseases and pollutions. So, the proper disposable of waste is needed to prevent all these problems. So, it's needed to control the pollution, it's needed to conserve the natural resources, it's needed to control the spread of diseases and for recycling. First one is to control the pollution. Various pollutions like water pollution, air pollution, soil pollution can be avoided if you dispose the waste properly. Next, to conserve the natural resources. To protect the natural resources, we should dispose the waste in a proper way. So, waste disposable is important for conservation. Conservation means protection of our environmental resources. Resources means the source of supply, like forest, minerals, waters. So, these are the natural resources. They are available on the earth. So, to conserve these natural resources, we should dispose the waste properly. Students, next to control the spread of diseases. Spread of infectious means infection causing diseases can be controlled if you throw the waste in a proper way. Next, recycle for future use. The waste materials can be recycled to get a new product for the future use. So, we can reuse the wastes again. So, students, for these purposes, the disposable of waste is needed. So, it is an important one. So, we have to dispose, we have to throw the waste in a proper way to prevent these many problems.